What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another vlog. Today is Saturday. I just woke up. As you can see, I'm in like really oversized Christmas PJs. Let me just give you a full view here. No bra. Like, I mean, come on. So like I said, I just woke up. I'm gonna make some coffee in a minute, but I got a package from H&M early this morning and I want to show you guys what I got. I got 3 things because today we are taking pictures. So a local photographer reached out and wanted to know if she could take our pictures, Carlos and I was like, heck yeah. She is just starting her photography business and I thought it would be kind of fun. So I have just about nothing to wear. So I placed an order on H&M maybe a week ago. Just came. Thank God it came in time because we're leaving at 3:30 and it's like, what time is it? I don't know, it's morning. It's 9 o'clock. So I'm glad it came before we have to go. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear anything from it because I think I got all black items. And she said maybe try to wear neutrals, so we'll see. I also got a couple things from Target, and then I have a brand new like Shein package that I have yet to unbox. So I feel like we have to come up with something out of those 3 items. Target, H&M, Shein, we have to have something to wear. So let me show you what I got from H&M. So the first item from H&M I got in an XXL. I truly don't even know if that size is gonna be good for me. And this was a sweater dress. Okay, how does it work? Okay, it's like a turtleneck sweater dress. And I saw somebody wearing this with tights and little booties and it was so freaking cute. So even if I don't wear it for this photo shoot, I feel like that's like really oversized. That might not work. Who knows? So it's just a basic black turtleneck sweater dress. Then what else did I get? Oh yeah, I got this mini dress, also black. Oh god, I got this in a 3X. I don't know, I just feel like I never know. Oh yeah, I think this will be good because it was more bodycon style and I don't want it to be like too tight. So I got this one. Kind of thin, but still. It was really cute on the model, so that's an option. And then the last thing I got were actually shoes. Oh yeah, I got booties. I like this color a lot. I'm trying to up my shoe game a little bit. Just a tad. Okay, wow. There could not be more packaging here. Okay, so these are the booties that I picked up. I'm not sure if I will even like the way they look on me. What is this? I feel like there's like, can you see that? Like glue showing. That is so irritating. But what do you expect when they're real cheap? They're just taupe colored little fall booties. So I'm gonna try this stuff on a little bit later. I'm not gonna do it right now because I want to make some coffee, make some breakfast, throw away all this garbage. I think I might open up my Shein package right now. You know what, let me bring my 2 options from Target out here so I can show you guys those since I have you here. I'll be right back. Okay, so keep in mind this is gonna be a more casual photo shoot, and really her only rule was no yellow because she already has a lot of yellow on her page. And then she was like, I don't know, maybe like neutrals or something. So I found this cream sweater at Target. I believe it was Ava and Viv. Yeah, Ava and Viv. I got it in a 16-18. And it's just a cream sweater. But I like that it has this like collar built in. I have the tag still because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. But it's just this really pretty cream sweater with like a collar built in. And I figured layering some gold necklaces would look really pretty with some dark wash jeans and maybe black booties or something. So this is an option. And then I found this dress. It's such a weird color. It's like kind of like an olive green, but I don't know. It's kind of strange. But it's just a dress that cinches in right under, probably about the waist. It does have a tie belt. And then the bottom of it, which I don't know if I'm a huge fan of, is more of like a high-low cut. This dress actually, I want to say, is the exact style of dress that I wore in another photo shoot with Carlos year and a half or so ago. I will put that picture right here so you guys can see it. It was a completely different color and a different print, obviously, but I want to say it was the same cut as this dress, and they're both Ava and Viv, so I'm thinking that that is true. So we do have some options. I'm gonna go open up that Shein box, like I said, make coffee, make breakfast, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh my god. Okay, so I just had coffee and breakfast, and now I am in my film room and I need to clean it. Let me just give you a little view of what I'm looking at over here. It's not good. Just pile shit on top of this desk. Like, my makeup area is a disaster. This closet over here is a disaster. I still have clothes, so many clothes over here that I'm not going to wear that I need to put on Poshmark. Like, it's just a whole ass mess. God, I am looking so cute, you guys. So the plan is I would like to do Vlogmas. I did it last year, couldn't even believe I did it. It was hard, but not as hard as I thought it was going to be. So I would love to do it again. However, this year is just really something else. Teaching during a pandemic is just not it. Like, I come home, it sounds so gross, just like wet. Just literally soaking wet because I'm just sweating like go 24/7 at all times. At all times there's some sort of a behavior or an emergency situation that I'm dealing with. So it's just been a little rough to the point where I get home and I am sore, like I just ran a marathon, and I eat dinner and go to bed. That's all I can do. I have no time to clean. I have no time to do anything. Like, I am just drained. So I hate filming videos with crap in the background. So I'm thinking I'm going to take advantage of today and try to get a little of this room done. I need to go through some makeup, get rid of some stuff, and just pick up a little bit. So that way it's a better chance of me actually doing Vlogmas if this room is clean. So, oh, my sister just texted me. Anyway, that was a long-winded story just to tell you guys I'm going to pick up this room. A little bit. I'm gonna do as much as I can until I get tired. I'm telling you, like, even my weekends, I'm like, I have no energy for anything. It's just so bad. We are going to Hawaii next week. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog it. I just feel like I want to just chill, but I might. I don't know. Haven't decided quite yet. Regardless, I will be posting to Instagram, so if you guys are not following me there, go follow me. That way you guys can see a little bit about what we're doing on the trip. So this is really my only opportunity to get this room clean, so I'm going to try my best to get as much done as I can, and then I think I'm going to shower, kind of start getting ready, steam some outfits, and then I'll try them on for you guys to kind of decide what I'm going to wear to this photo shoot a little bit later. So let's go. So I just took a body shower and I'm trying on some outfit ideas. So let me show you the first one. So this is the dress from H&M. I would wear shapewear under it just to kind of smooth out some little lumpies and bumpies, but I don't know what I would wear for shoes. Like, would I just do black booties? I don't know. Honestly, I'm not really leaning towards this one, but we shall see. So first one, okay, I honestly can't help but laugh. Looks like I ordered this a little too big. I literally just look like I'm in a big old potato sack. This is not it. I got this in an XXL, and honestly, to be comfortable in this, I would have probably sized down to a large, which is crazy because I don't think I've ever been a large in my life. But I vaguely remember seeing on the website that this said oversized, so I might, because I do like it. I like the length and everything, but it's just wow. Just wow. I mean, what do we think is going on? So this is a big fat no. Ignore how wrinkly this is. I would obviously steam it if this is what I'm gonna go with, but this is the dress from Target, and I'm honestly, I feel like I'm leaning toward this. Like, my heart wants to go with something black, but I'm trying to branch out and do something a little different. So this is what this looks like, and I think it would look really nice with some like gold necklaces, gold earrings, gold rings, booties. I'm leaning toward booties for every outfit or any outfit I pick, just because I want it to be a little more fall. What would I do, black? Would I do more of a cream color? Like I got these, I don't think this would look good with them, but I got these from Target the other day. I don't know. So here is the third option. All right, next outfit option is just a pair of dark wash jeans with this sweater from Target. Once again, picture hair done, makeup done, gold layered necklaces, gold earrings. What to wear on the bottom, I don't know. I have these booties from H&M or, I don't know. I really don't, you guys. I just feel like, oh, lately I just have no idea what to wear ever. Because I feel like I'm just uncomfortable in everything and I feel like everything looks so stupid on me. It's just been a rough, like 6 months, I'm telling you, for like body image. Do any of you guys have neighbors that are just doing yard work at all times? Doesn't matter what day it is, what time, yard work. So, did my hair, did my makeup. I think I'm gonna go with this dress. I just need to pick out some earrings pretty much and some shoes and we will be good to go. Which brings me to the sponsor of this portion of the video, which is Ana Luisa. I love Ana Luisa. I have worked with them numerous times in the past and their jewelry is just top notch. If you guys have never heard of Ana Luisa, they are a jewelry company and all of their materials are ethically sourced. They use eco-friendly packaging, so they're good for the planet. This is the package that the jewelry comes in. Open it up, 100% recyclable. And the jewelry comes in these really pretty reusable little bags, and I love saving these because I use them when I travel. So this is what they look like. Open it up, cute little magnetic snap, and the jewelry is inside. And the jewelry comes on like a little cardstock jewelry holder. These first earrings I'm showing you are the cutest little hoops. These would be perfect for like a second or third hole. These are called the Bex Mini, and I am just obsessed with them. Like, look at the little, like, I don't know, the little detail. It looks like little like beaded detail almost. You guys know I'm a sucker for gold jewelry and these just could not get any cuter. So these are the first pair that I got. Okay, the second pair that I got are called the Elise Mini hoops. And look at how cute these are. They have like a little gem hanging from them. Woof, once again, gold. You guys already know I'm a sucker for gold jewelry. And then the last pair that I got are these hoops here. And these are the Julia hoops. Once again, super cute. I love how all of Ana Luisa's jewelry is just so dainty. Their jewelry is also made in small batches, so you know not just anybody is gonna have the same pair of earrings or necklace or bracelet or ring as you. I wear Ana Luisa 24/7. 24/7, I actually, both of these are from Ana Luisa. I think I got them probably about a year ago. And I just keep these in my ears at all times. I'm able to shower with them. They don't tarnish. They don't turn my ears any weird colors. I have sensitive skin and these do not bother them at all. I actually purchased some pieces last Christmas for my mom. Bought them with my own money. I'm telling you guys, like, this is how much I love the brand. My mom was obsessed with the jewelry. She wears it all the time. It truly makes the best gift because the quality is unmatched. Ana Luisa is always running sales, but they did give me a coupon code, which I will have right here on screen as well as down in the description box. So if you guys want to check them out, go read up on them below, and I just know you guys are gonna love them. So let's decide. I'm gonna take these earrings out right now, and then I'm gonna pick what I want to wear. I'm wondering if I should leave like one dangly one and then go with like these little mini hoops. Well, let me try that on and see what that looks like. That's actually really cute. I kind of like having like one dangly one and then one just like smaller hoop. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay. I'm gonna do that over here as well. I just wear these bigger hoops all the time and I kind of want a change, so. All right, so that is what they look like. Super cute. I think it would even be cute to take out the dangly one and put, where are those other little hoops? And put these in the second hole. That would also be super cute. The options are endless. I have a ring from them that I wear 24/7. I did take it off because I don't like sleeping with rings on. I even take my wedding ring off. But I'm gonna go put my Ana Luisa ring on and my wedding ring, and I will be right back. All right, so here is the ring I was telling you guys about. I did show this in another video, probably over a year ago, but this is, I think, the final look I'm going with. I think I'm just gonna find the shoes I'm gonna wear, and we're gonna be heading out the door. Our photo shoot's we're meeting her at 3:30. It is 2:30 right now, so I know it's kind of early, but we're gonna leave at 3. So I'm gonna find my shoes and we are out. Oh my God. So this is literally the worst lighting ever, but we just got here to this park to get our pictures taken, and we're just waiting on her. She's said she's pulling in now.
Literally the worst lighting ever.
It is. You should see it. Look.
I look amazing.
Oh my God. All right, we just finished taking pictures. It was a lot of fun, and she showed us a couple little sneak peeks just right on the camera, and they were beautiful. Beautiful. So I can't wait to get them back. I think we're gonna use them for Christmas cards. Right now we're going to Chipotle to get a little dinner. Hopefully it's not busy.
I never heard of
I was really hoping he was gonna look, but he didn't. Yeah, we're going, oh, I'm so sick of the shoe obsession. Yeah, we're just gonna get dinner and then head home. Happy Sunday. It is definitely the next day, and it's 5 o'clock at night. I did not film at all today. We just ran errands and we're kind of lazy, honestly. Sat around most of the day, but it was kind of nice to just relax. I actually got a lot of packing done for the trip, which is great. I think the only thing left I have to pack is like bathing suits. Got a towel, like sunscreen and stuff. We're going to go to Target right when we get into Hawaii and get that kind of stuff there. But other than that, I think I'm good. I'm not bringing anything clothing-wise super cute. I'm just wanting to be comfortable, chill. I'm not really vlogging this trip. I don't think, I could change my mind last minute, but I don't think I'm going to, because I just want to not worry about like, gotta get this shot, gotta get this cool shot, oh look at that view, and then bring the drone, and it's like, it becomes a whole thing. So I just want to have a vacation where I can actually just enjoy. My skin is just really not doing the best. Mostly just scarring now, but having to wear a mask for like 7 hours a day really does me dirty, let me tell you. I think what I'm gonna do tonight, honestly I don't really have any plans. I'm just gonna chill. I might pick up this room a little bit more. The desk situation is looking so much better than it was. It was piled high, so now we just have a couple things left on the desk, one of which is a return, so things are looking a little better over there. I still need to list a bunch of that stuff on Poshmark, which I'm not gonna worry about until after the trip, and then really that's it. I think I'm just gonna lounge the rest of the night. I know this Sunday footage was just about nothing, but I did want to check in with you guys and let you know I haven't forgotten about you. Here we are. Here you are. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you guys like these little random weekend vlogs, please let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.